Hi, my name is Shakira, Seftiani Aurelia. I'm from 12 Natural Science 1. In this opportunity, I would like to show you how to make black sticky rice tapai. Keep watching! First, we have to prepare the ingredients. The ingredients are 250 grams of black sticky rice, some powdered yeast, banana leaves, a jar, and some water. Then, rinse the black sticky rice with running water. Next, put the black sticky rice into the pot, add some water, and cook until it gets dry. After the water gets dry, steam the black sticky rice until it's softened. Next step, lay the black sticky rice on the banana leaves, and then sprinkle some powdered yeast on the black sticky rice until it's even. And then, put the black sticky rice into a jar that's already covered with banana leaves. Fold the banana leaves, cover the jar, and wait until 3 nights, and the tapai will ready to be served.